Hey guys, what are you doing?
Catching centipede. No, catch a worm.
Hey, tell them to subscribe to your channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Okay.
I will ask first your parents if it's okay to upload it to YouTube, okay? Then you can watch yourselves in Ace YouTube channel.
Let's even more. There's a baby one.
Look here, look here.
Didn't work. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, stop it, stop it, stop it.
Look, there's many.
Kuya, they go over. Kuya, put more.
How many did you get, Ace?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, you at the here, oh.
Got 8.
Look, it's a very tiny one.
That's a baby one. Kuya, see other than this. Oh, there's even more. Oh, centipede.
No, it's here, here. No, here.
Guys, I'm teamwork.
Kuya Julian is helping you.
Yeah. I'm also helping you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many, Ace?
12, 13. What's the others?
After 13? 14.
Get them still?
Yeah.
Be careful, you
Here,
will fall.
Ace, here.
Yeah, they said yes.
Said yes?
Yes.
Your mom said yes? Alright.
Down,
We'll...
down, down,
Your
down.
mom say yes? Yeah. Yeah. Ace, can I hold it? Ace, can I
You
hold
and did your mom said yes?
Yes.
They're gonna appear in your YouTube channel, Ace.
Yay.
Yeah.